Well, we made it to Memorial Day weekend, and I bet your sweet buns that you can definitely save if you'd like to use your Save Club. I don't know if you'd call it an app. The official app is not out yet, but if you just go to saveclub.com on your cell phone or home computer and just go into your back office and hit My Deals, that's all you need for now. The app is going to be amazing. I was listening to our CEO founder Charles the other day, and he said, yes, we're going to even have maybe some shirts made, maybe some hats, and of course, we're going to have an app. And an app, I don't know, I can take it or leave it because Save Club easily works on any cell phone right now just by going to saveclub.com and hitting the My Deals tab. It's really easy to navigate. I'll actually show you too if you have not joined Save Club yet and you want to just see the back office. I'll give you a little tour, okay? So, how about a 10-minute little chit chat, okay? Is that good? All right, we have 9 minutes left. So far, so good. Just by promoting these links, all right, ilovesaveclub.com. If you'd like to look into joining, I just want you to click that link. And if you're in Save Club already, or if you think you're going to need some help because of, let's just say you're shy, lack of experience, all right, there's a lot of reasons why you might kind of stall a little bit, just get brain fry. Sometimes you just get tired of posting and you're sick of trying to find pictures and things to even talk about. Let the funnel system handle things, and I'm going to show you why at the end of the video, okay? All right, what's my results? Well, let's see. Today is bright and early on Memorial Day weekend. Thank you, vets, for my freedom. Seriously, for those that have protected and served, and for those that have just been a part of our lives. Memorial Day weekend is always, it's important, all right? The whole weekend, not just Memorial Day. And I'm feeling good this morning. So thank you, everybody, in my thoughts and my prayers. Okay. Well, it looks like I got one person pre-enrolled this morning. That's exciting. I've had 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've had 11 people join just in the last 4 or 5 days. And thank you if you're one of those folks. I send you an email. Of course, Save Club sends you an email, and you can log in and just check out this opportunity. This is the back office. This is where you can see what the heck is going on. Now, if you pre-enroll, that means, let me find my page. You went to this page right here. You watch this cool video, and then you put in your information, and you hit this orange button. Now, this is the brand new page. This just came out hours ago. And if you want to see it, just go to ilovesaveclub.com. But watch the video. It's well done. And if you want more information, please just go ahead and click the orange button with your info. And if you want to join, open up the Save Club info, get your email, and it's so easy to join. Just get your username and your password, and go into My Earnings tab and configure your bank. It says Select Payment. And that's another video, but you guys will figure out the setup. It's not that hard. Let me show you my deals. The app is not out yet, but if you just log into saveclub.com, this is a home computer that you're looking at. Same screen as like a laptop. And if you're on your cell phone, like a Samsung or what's it called, an iPhone, you guys just know how to log into saveclub.com. It'll look different on a cell phone screen, but I like working on a home computer when I do my business. So see this tab right here? It says My Deals. Just click it. Now this page right here, it's up to you on what zip code you want to put. I put 84120 because I live right here in Salt Lake City, and I want to know local deals too. So I put in the 8412. It's actually a 0. I always say O, and people go, O is the alphabet. Oh, and then I go, oh, really? Gosh, picky people, right? Search deals. Here's a deal that is by far my biggest money saver. I'm a big fan of vehicles. I've got quite a few of them. I've been collecting them over a long time. Discount Tire. Awesome. And if you want to see some of my vehicles, this is one of my crew cab dualies. I collect these things, the 1990 to 1999 body style. Big old 454 gas guzzler. Look at how good shape this baby is. But look at the tires. See, they're kind of brittle and they're kind of worn out. I need 6 tires. 6 from Discount Tire. All right, now I got another one. I collect these bad boys. I'm a massive fan of Hummers. I got quite a few of these. You see those tires? $550 for one, and I need 5 of them. 4 to drive on and 1 that goes right in my back bed. Where do I go? Right here. Discount Tire Online. View the deal. Now, this morning it is May 24th, Memorial Day weekend. And do you see where it says Discount Tire? Online only. That's fine. All you do is just go online, and you can do it. You can go down to Discount Tire and just go on your cell phone, because that's online, and just put 30% off Nitto tires. And that's the tires that I run. I got 30% off 5 of them. Okay, right here, it'll mention just certain tires, but when you put use coupon and just head down to Discount Tire, they can see Save Club as a part of their savings club. You know, I'm excited. So they gave me a ton of money off, hundreds of dollars off the 5 tires for my Hummer. Check this out, Memorial Day sale. Get up to $160 off tires and wheels. Look at that, use coupon. Score. To redeem the offer, all you do is click, watch, Save Club to Discount Tire. It's redirecting. And here we go, Memorial Day deals. Now I can print this out, or I just show my screen. I just go, if you can look up right here where I'm at on the top of your screen, I can do the same thing just on my cell phone while I'm down there in their lobby ordering tires for my crew cab dually. I need 6 of them. All right, look at this, $160 online special. Today is the 24th, so see the deal goes 23, 24, about 5 days to the 28th. Isn't that awesome? And if you kind of like talk a little bit and kiss some butt, they might give you even more money off. But you can see how easy it is just to save money by screwing off and searching on your My Deals app, okay? Or My Deals tab. See right there? Right? No, where'd it go? Okay, so just remember, hit My Deals, and then it'll pop up this screen. And you guys search all over the place. Just hit the search button, and it'll just show you random stuff from all the local businesses. You know, like a Pizza Hut. Why not save $5? You're going to go there anyway. If you're going to Wendy's, why not save 3? It all adds up over time. If you look at the savings you're going to have over the next 12 months, it's going to kick ass. Look, Jim, $24. That's a lot. Dry clean now and then. Hey, 30%. Wow. Kohl's, that's super popular. Master Muffler, you know, I have to go there. I have a little smart car. You know those little smart cars? I have it all tricked out. Lowered. It's bright green, like, oh, I don't know, the band Poison's logo. But I don't have a muffler on it. So I got to go down and get a muffler on my little race car. Look at that, $50. You bet your butt. And I love Master Muffler. They're massive. They're all over Salt Lake City. Panda Express is awesome. Papa Murphy's, I love pizza. These are just random deals I know that I'm gonna do no matter what. And I might as well save 100. I can tell just by looking here. There's over $100 of savings. So do I want to spend $20? You know, and I always have a couple bucks cash in front of me. Would I spend $20 to save $100 or $200 a month? And right now, I totaled it up. I did a video about this last night. You know, I saved $950 already, my first month, just as a member, not as an affiliate. Right here, this is $1,000 cash. All right, I went to the bank. I go, give me $1,000 in random money. And this is what the pretty girl gave me. Look at that. That's $1,000. For $20, I saved $950 just as a member on things I have to buy. I had to buy the tires. I mean, sure, I guess I didn't have to, but they're worn out and they're brittle, and I'm not going to drive down the road and get a flat tire and then have to call AAA and sit out in the sun or the snow or whatever. But I think you guys know what I mean. I needed tires anyway. And for me to save a couple $100 just on my Chevy, hundreds and hundreds on my Hummer. All right, gym membership. I always do videos about these 2 car washes I go to. $17. Awesome. Now, talking about income, I've been able to average right around almost $1,000 cash, because right now for the total month, it's going to come up to about $4,000 that I've made cash a week. So my first month, I've saved $950, but I've been averaging $1,000 cash in my pocket per week. That's awesome. And then the funnel, all right, I'm going to end this video. I'm at the 10-minute mark. I always wrap it up with my funnel system. Okay, let me just show you my card that I've made here. Go to Save Club Funnels. Will you please just check it out? I want you to click it. Fill out your information here. Just put in, I'll just do it. That's all ROCK. I've had this email a long time. Okay, let's all rock. Show me the video. Now this is the capture page for the funnel system that I use to help you guys with Save Club even more because it's in more detail. This funnel system takes you by the hand for 20 minutes and explains Save Club, where I don't have to. Exciting new opportunity just released. Simple system that saves you money on things you're already buying while earning thousands a month. That's what I've been doing. Watch video. So show me the video. And right here, this is the video. About 20 minutes. It shows the comp plan. It shows how to use it. It shows going into a restaurant, showing your screen and getting money off on your food bill. It talks about the opportunity, how to use it, what it's going to do, where the company's going. It's just amazing. So get yourself like a little beverage, like a coffee, maybe a little iced tea, or maybe a soda pop. Watch the video. It really explains Save Club. This funnel has really changed a lot for me in Save Club. It does all the work. It does a lot of the explaining. I like to do these videos where you can watch me like for 10. I always say it's a 10-minute video, and here I am at 11. But I'm a big fan of just explaining this. Sometimes it's nice just to watch somebody on YouTube and show you what you're getting for 20 bucks a month. And proof of $950 of savings is just outstanding. But please watch the video. And if you're not in Save Club, just join Save Club. Do you see this? When you click it, it goes right to the Save Club capture page where you can put in your information. Click that orange button and boom, you're going to get an email to join. Okay, just remember, it's 60 bucks for the website. That's the affiliate fee. That's it. And then $19.97 a month. So for $79.97, boom. And if you want to join for the year annual, you're in the VIP status and you get bigger commissions. That's what I did. I like to make more money for doing the same amount of work. So I'm like, well, I got a couple extra bucks. I'll just join for the year. So that's a pretty good deal. So look into that, but that's another video. Now, if you want the new funnel, look, Save Club Funnel, get new funnel, 25 bucks. Just click it. You're going to go into this video. All right, my buddy Melvin's going to chat at you just a little bit and just talk about the funnel. And right here, join. Just click it. Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. You can get the whole funnel system. Just this exact thing that I'm showing you right here, this is the exact funnel you're going to get. Now, here's the nice thing. Get our team training. When you click this, all right, you're going to get invited to 2 private invite-only Facebook groups. They're awesome. Very important, in my opinion, to join. Done for you videos from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You can go to YouTube Reels, Shorts. These are the little videos that like are 10 seconds. Some are 30 seconds. Some are a minute. I like ones that are like 10 minutes like this. I guess these would be called long form video. But the funnel system, this is what it looks like. You just click these red buttons and just go on the journey. The funnel seems to work for me. My success right here is just, you can't deny, signing up 11 people just in the last handful of days. And I'm going into the holidays where everyone's screwing off. It's Memorial Day here in America, where most people, they're not really online looking to join stuff. You're kind of outside working on your tan or going hiking, fishing, biking. A lot of people, they just have to work. There's a lot of shopping, a lot of restaurants, a lot of resorts. So if you have to work this weekend, thank you. It's important to work. It's important to make money so that we can go and afford to mess off and spend money on things. But right now, look into the funnel system. You don't have to do it by any means. By any means, you don't have to do the funnel system, but you have to join. Right now, it is critical to join because we have 6 days left during pre-launch. This is where we're just kind of working out the bugs, dusting off some things. We're still building the home, getting the carpet put in. But right now, we're building downlines. I'm looking for affiliates, people that want to earn money. The savings are there. No matter what, when you spend 20 bucks a month, it's going to be almost impossible not to try to find 50 to 100 to a couple $100 a month to save on things you're already going to buy. This is my opinion, disclaimer. But I'm looking for an affiliate like you. Do you have those 320s? All right, do you have 320s? Look, all it is 60 bucks. Go ahead. Spend those 2020s and let's get them back. I want you to get a couple people to join you real quickly. You get anywhere from 20 to 32 bucks for each person that climbs aboard. So let's just get you 2 or 3 people real quick. That way you have your money back. Then let's work on just getting domain names. You can see my business cards on the screen right now. We'll get you maybe a fun domain at GoDaddy. They're only 12 bucks and 17 pennies. I bought a whole bunch of them last week. That's all it is out the door. Tax and everything. Brand new domain. You can get all the upgrades and the emails and all the other stuff later. You just need maybe a fun domain name, and you can point them to either the funnel capture page, or you can just directly send them to the capture page you get for 60 bucks when you become an affiliate. It's up to you. I promote both. If you watch all my videos, and I've already made hundreds and hundreds of videos just in the last month, I promote both because I think there's value in just joining Save Club, go through this process. But in my experience now of a couple of years and talking to hundreds, if not 1,000 people, you get stuck. And this funnel system is probably going to be that aspirin for your headache. All right. That's it, boys and girls. You have a good weekend if you're watching me live. And I mean it. If you are in the military or currently in the military, thank you for the freedom. And for those that have passed away, let's just all remember our friends and family that have made a difference. Okay. Thanks again, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And if you need me, I'm easy to get a hold of. Find me on Facebook, just inbox me, or Cory@CoryDraper.com. That's my email. All right, deal? All right, you guys take care. Thanks again for your time.